Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make the code for avoid obstacles in a Codey Rocky. So I've connected my USB cable and I have this Makeblock latest version downloaded in my computer. So let's start with this. So I'm going to connect my Codey Rocky. COM3 connect. Okay, so now the device is connected. Let me go when button A is pressed. Then we wanted to show a image like this. So it's like it's actually driving. And then we wanted to play the sound speaker, play sound high. So when button A is pressed, show image like the eyes, the basic eyes, and then play sound high. Now we are going to add a repeat until button B is pressed. So we are going to sensing button B is pressed. Then we are going to add an if else, and then we are going to go to operators and pick this one up right here, put it over here, and then pick random 1 to 100, and this will be 50, this number. So then we should do turn left. So turn left at power of 30 for 0.5 seconds, and then turn right, else turn right at power of 30 for 0.5 seconds. Now we are going to add another if else on top of this if else like this, and the first if else should be if obstacles ahead, then it should show this image. I'm going to pick up this, and then I'm going to get these eyes. Okay, you can pick whichever eyes you want. I like this one, so I'm picking this one. Okay, and now we wanted to play the sound wrong. This is wrong. Yeah, this is wrong. So now we have the basic code, and over here in this else we wanted to action move forward at power of 70%. Now we should get when button B is pressed, repeat until sensing button A is pressed, and then we wanted to action stop moving. So let's have a recap of the whole code. So we wanted to, when button A is pressed, we wanted to show the image like it's driving, the eyes like it's driving, and we wanted to play the sound high. After that, we wanted to repeat until button B is pressed. If obstacles are ahead, then show the image these eyes and play sound wrong. If we have this greater than, pick random 1 to 100 is smaller than 50. Turn left at power of 30% for 0.5 seconds, else turn right at power of 30% for 0.5 seconds. And in the first if else, we have move forward at power of 70%, and the other one, when button B is pressed, repeat until button A is pressed, stop moving. So that's it for today. You can code this and upload it to your Codey Rocky. I'll show you how to upload it. Now when you press the button A in your Codey Rocky, it will do the action that you have told it to do in the code. So that's it for today. If you like the video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Bye.